Good day, bro. Please, what are the names of those sound effects you usually use in your videos, and how can I get them? I don't mind paying. Alright, here are the names of those sound effects. And I have provided 20 of them, which you will be getting for free, and use them in your video to capture audience attention. If you want this sound effect, just comment the word sound effect and I will DM you the link to download them for free. Alright, if you found this video helpful, drop a heart in the comment section, and if you got any question, drop it in the comment section as well. Also, make sure you like and share this video with other people because they might be looking for this update as well. And do well to follow and subscribe to 𝐓𝐑𝐄𝐄 for more content like this. Peace.